Russia delivered hammer blow as Ukraine wipes out naval vessel in Snake Island ambush. Ukraine's navy has claimed a huge victory today after sinking a Russian tug vessel that was in the process of transporting weapons, ammunition, and personnel to Snake Island. The Ukrainian Navy released footage of a spectacular strike on the Russian rescue tug Spasitel Vasily Bek earlier today. The tugboat was in the midst of transporting weapons and soldiers off the Black Sea Fleet to Snake Island when the ambush took place. Ukraine's Armed Forces Strategic Communications Directorate said the Spasitel Vasily Bek was hit with 2 Harpoon missiles. Video of the attack shows an aerial view of the tug vessel as recorded by a Bayraktar TB2 drone. The drone did not fire the missile but captured the moment that 2 missiles approached the Russian Black Sea Navy tugboat. Footage shows 2 missiles slamming into a vessel believed to be 19 miles east of Snake Island, causing it to erupt in a fireball. Ukraine's Naval Command said the tugboat had a TOR anti-air missile system on board, but this had failed to stop the strike. The use of Harpoon missiles marks the first time that Ukraine has struck a Russian vessel with this type of Western-supplied anti-ship rocket. The US has sent Harpoon missiles to Ukraine, while the UK and Denmark have said they were considering sending the anti-ship ballistics. UA Weapons, which tracks Ukrainian military operations online, posted, "Big news from the Black Sea. The Ukrainian Navy claims to have destroyed the Russian Vasily Bek rescue vessel as it traveled to the famous Snake Island. It reportedly had a Tor M2KM SAM system on board." The strike was filmed by a TB2 drone. 2 munitions were used. Governor of Odessa, Maxim Marchenko, backed up the claim about a successful Ukrainian attack on a Russian ship. He posted on Telegram, "This morning in the Black Sea, the tugboat of the Black Sea Fleet, Vasily Bek, was hit by missiles while transporting ammunition, weapons, personnel, and SAM Tor to the Snake Island. Congratulations to the team of Cruiser Moscow." However, the Russian Navy has also so far remained silent on the status of the ship, while the footage remains unverified. The Vasily Bek had served in the Russian Black Sea Fleet since 2017. Snake Island has become a key battleground, as well as a propaganda symbol in the war after the outpost was infamously captured by the Russian Navy early in the conflict. The attack follows the sinking of the Moskva last month, which Russia initially claimed was caused by an ammunition explosion brought on by a storm. This comes as the UK defense chief claimed that Russia has already strategically lost the war in Ukraine and is now a more diminished power. The head of the UK's armed forces, Admiral Sir Tony Radakin, said today that Russia was suffering heavy losses and running out of troops and advanced missiles. According to the South Operational Command, the situation in the operational zone is remaining tense but stable. Russian troops continue to conduct hostilities along the defense lines. Meanwhile, the enemy did not create new attack groups and did not take active actions. The Russian military continue to fire missiles at Mykolaiv. In the morning of June 17, 2022, 2 enemy cruise missiles hit 2 districts of Mykolaiv. Apartment blocks, private cars, industrial and production facilities were damaged. Reportedly, 1 civilian was killed and 6 injured, including a child. Rescue works are underway. In addition, this morning, Mykolaiv region's Shirokov community and Bereznohovete community have come under enemy fire. Information about casualties and the damage caused is yet to be checked. Last night, 2 civilians were injured in Russia's shelling of Perutyn, Mykolaiv region in the Shevchenikov district. 3 household buildings caught fire after Russia's shelling.